Would you like to learn a simple and easy technique for instantly stopping hunger or maybe food cravings or stop you from binge eating? It's a really, really simple technique that I use all the time. Drink water. You get the urge, you feel hungry. And we quite often mistake hunger pangs with, we call them hunger, but actually we're thirsty. So if you drink water, and so drink about, I don't know, take 10 gulps of water, and you'll satisfy yourself, and the hunger will disappear. So that's a quick and easy technique. So make sure you like my video and click on the subscribe button. And you can also hit my website, jeffbroomfield.com, and you can learn, you can actually book a free strategy session and learn whether or not hypnosis can help you get the results that you want. Till next time, have a good one.